Hello and welcome to AI Genius. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of learning and what happens to your brain when you acquire new knowledge and skills. Learning new things is one of the most important things we can do for our brains. Every time we learn something new, our brains create new neural connections, which helps us to be more creative, solve problems more easily, and even improve our memory. When we learn something new, our brains go through a process called neuroplasticity. This is the ability of the brain to change and adapt as we learn new things. The more we learn, the more our brains adapt, which makes us smarter. When we're faced with a new challenge or problem to solve, our brains have to work harder to find a solution. This causes the brain to produce new neurons, which can then create new connections with existing neurons. Learning a new language is a great example of how our brains can adapt to new information. When we start to learn a new language, our brains have to create new neural connections to process the new words, grammar rules, and pronunciation. Learning to play a musical instrument is another great way to exercise your brain. When you play an instrument, you're using different parts of your brain to read sheet music, control your fingers, and create sounds. When we learn something new, we also improve our memory. This is because our brains have to store the new information in our long-term memory, which helps us to remember it later on. In conclusion, learning new things is one of the best things we can do for our brains. It helps us to be more creative, solve problems more easily, and improve our memory. So why not challenge yourself to learn something new today? We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.